So guys, once you click on the referral link, this is what you're gonna see. The invitation code automatically appears, okay, and then do not forget to click on get code immediately after you put in your email so they can send you a verification code to your email. That's what I have here. So I've pasted the code, and the next thing is for me to put in my password. Once that is done, I click on register and download the app. Alright, so after you must have downloaded the app through Chrome, the next thing for you to do is to sign in with your details.
Okay, here you can see it here. SMS switcher, that's the name of the app. Next. 0.03 pounds per SMS you receive. Next. So you just put in your password, that's the M9 that you used, the email, and then your password. So after that, you log in. Okay. Allow. Everything is allowed. Allow everything. So welcome balance is 0.03. Now see, there's something about this stuff. So if you invite, you receive this. But see withdrawal. Let's check withdrawal. You put your PayPal email and you confirm the code, and you withdraw. It's only through PayPal. Then always check in daily. Check in now. You need an active SIM card to check in. Okay. Let's wait for
Alright, so that's it guys. You get a verification code to verify your number so you can start to receive SMS. So you basically earn by receiving SMS on this particular platform, and then you can refer your friends to earn as well. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Please do not come to my DM at all. Now for those of you who want to see withdrawal proofs to be convinced that the platform pays, here you go. These are withdrawals made from those who have started this platform and withdrawn from the platform to their PayPal accounts. So that's it guys. Why don't you try this out and let me know if you've benefited from this update. And as always, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates and tricks to making legitimate money online. I'll be seeing you in my next video.